Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook a very delicious, creamy and aromatic dessert for you. It is super delicious rice flour dessert. Its aroma is extremely tempting and appealing. Its flavor is very rich. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are rice flour 3 to 4 tablespoons, green cardamom 2 to 3, condensed milk 100 to 150 grams, almonds, raisins 2 to 3 tablespoons, full cream milk 1 liter, sugar 1 to 2 tablespoons. Mix rice flour in half cup milk and put it aside. Boil 1 liter milk with sugar and green cardamom on medium flame. After 5 minutes, add rice flour mixture and stir constantly for 5 minutes to avoid lumps. After 5 minutes, set flame on medium to low and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir from time to time and don't leave it unattended. In the meanwhile, add raisins and almonds. After 25 minutes, add condensed milk. Mix well, garnish and serve hot or cold as you wish. Rich, creamy, aromatic, and delicious dessert is ready. Do try it. You will love its rich, creamy flavor. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.